Hey, Jim, welcome to the show. How are you?
Hey, thanks a lot, Ollie. Thanks for having me on.
So, Jim, first question I'd like to ask is, what do you do and why do you do it?
Well, I have a little thing called Dallas Trading Floor, and what it is it's a show that is on TikTok, and for an hour a day, it's a TikTok live, and basically we talk about different stocks and how we trade them, and how you could possibly make money in the process. And then also on TikTok, I do short videos, but they're limited to a minute each.
Awesome. And then what I really want to dive deep into today, Jim, is so you recently started monetizing your TikTok audience, right? So tell us about that. How are you monetizing? I think you have about 70,000 people on your TikTok, right?
Yeah, I actually have a little bit over that. I think about 73,000 right now on TikTok alone. We also have some other platforms too. Yeah. But the way I've come about doing it is that on the TikTok lives, I offer what they call action trade alerts, and of course this is about stock trading. And basically what they do is they get on. They go to my profile. I have a link to this on my profile, and they just sign up for this with their email address and their first and last name, email address, and their SMS number, and then we just send them trade alerts based on market conditions, trades that I'm making, that kind of thing, and it's free content. And that's how we build the email list. From that email list, then we then offer actual individual trades on our Discord channel, and we take the people from the action trade alerts list and then use them. So we've been very successful with that. The action trade alerts list allows us to move them over to the Discord channel, which then I'm able to give one-to-one advice on trading. Because I have 70,000 people on TikTok, and you're limited to 1 minute if you're not live.
Yep.
It's very hard to answer questions. So this way, if they like what they see, they kind of go in a stair step process. They first go to my profile, see what I am, get comfortable with that, get on the action trade alert, see if they're making money on that, and then for that kind of individual one-on-one, then go and sign up for the Discord server.
That's awesome. So if I understand this right, so the process or the funnel for you is so kind of provide free educational content on TikTok, and then move people from there to your email list, and that's where they can see the action trade alerts. And then from there, the next step is to join the membership or paid community on Discord.
And the advantage of that one, of course, is that I have office hours, just kind of like a university professor. If they want to talk about their portfolio, either privately or with the group that's in Discord, but it's much more one-on-one. And in the Discord group, I actually show individual trades, when to get in and when to get out, and I alert people when I'm getting in, when I'm getting out.
And help us, Jim. What's your TikTok account?
The TikTok account is @JKMalone.
JK Malone.
JK Malone. That's the TikTok account.
Awesome. And I'm sure some people are probably thinking, and you kind of answered this. So now you have a paid membership community. So how are you going to decide what content to put out for free, let's say on TikTok, versus, put behind membership, behind the paid wall?
Right. And this is always an issue for a lot of things. Because TikTok is limited, I can only spend 1 minute on TikTok. So my content has to be very quick and short. So I can't give a list of stocks that you might want to look at. I might only be saying, hey, there's one, or the market direction is this. So it's more, it's more one-offs. If you want to get more into it as a trader, you need to have options, and that's what the Discord room provides. It gives you more in depth, more options, more charts, more analysis.
Yeah, because I know I talked to a lot of influencers and content creators, and number one, they want to know how to monetize their audience, whether it's on TikTok or Instagram. And here's a really good example, using memberships, right? And you don't have to be fancy using Discord. It works. They can use there are a lot of other options. There's Patreon, there's Facebook groups, there are a lot of different options, but I think it's just building that funnel for people, educating them on the front end, right? On, let's say you're doing on TikTok, and then giving them something they want to pay for on the back end. So I think that's a process a lot of people miss out on. Now let's talk about like how do you come up with the ideas for your TikTok? How do you decide what content to create on TikTok?
Well, one of the primary ways that I get ideas on TikTok are the questions that people ask me on previous videos that I've gotten large numbers of people that have watched. Sometimes as many as 10, 15, 20, 30, even more thousand will watch them, but people will leave comments and they have very specific questions, and then what I do is I try to answer some of those questions for them and then broadcast it to everybody else.
Awesome, that's awesome. All right, Jim, I don't want to take too much of your time. Thank you so much for giving us your time today and educating us how we can also monetize any audience on TikTok or any other platform by using membership options. Last question, where do people go to find you to learn more about you? Where do you want to send them? TikTok, or do you have a website?
Well, I do have a website, and it's we're renovating it. It's not the best. It's getting better. It's www.dallastradingfloor.com.
Awesome. There you go. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Thank you, Jim, for being on the show. Bye for now.